A president's assassination inspired a Nobel Prize winning breakthrough in surgery. Sounds unbelievable, right? This is episode 1 of Mind Blowing Vascular Stories. 25th June 1894, the French president Sadi Carnot was stabbed in the abdomen. The knife injured his portal vein. At the time, even the best local surgeons simply didn't know how to repair major blood vessels, and based on the protocols for deep untreatable wounds, they gave him an iodine dressing. He ultimately bled to death. There was a major uproar, people were angry, and among them was a young surgeon, Dr. Alexis Carrel. Angry, but at the limitations of surgery itself. He wondered what if blood vessels could actually be stitched back together. Dr. Carrel became obsessed. But he didn't learn from surgeons, he learned the delicate stitching techniques from a master embroiderer, Mary Ann. Because suturing blood vessels required precision beyond traditional surgery, he practiced endlessly on cadavers and then on dogs. He developed the famous strangulation technique, 3-stay sutures that transformed a floppy blood vessel into a stable triangle, making precise blood-tight vascular anastomosis possible. He even redesigned his operating setup. He used fine silk threads instead of traditional materials. They were treated with paraffin to minimize direct contact with the vessel wall. Black drapes were used to visualize these fine threads, and long straight needles were used instead of the short curved ones. He also used a smooth-jawed forceps to avoid endothelial injury and thrombus formation, and Ringer's lactate solution was used at all times to moisten the surfaces. Everything was done to protect the vessel lining and prevent clot formation. This breakthrough became the foundation of organ transplantation and modern vascular surgery. In the year 1912, Dr. Alexis Carrel received the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for the triangulation suturing technique. Some of the greatest advances in medicine have emerged from a tragedy. If you found this story interesting, share it with someone you think would also love it. Stay tuned for the next episode and follow for more.